Hello friends. So you are facing issue when you are start the laptop and it will be taking too much tab in the windows. So I have some solutions and you can follow the same step. Definitely it will be increase your laptop startup speed and the laptop performance. So let's start. First step, we need to check task manager. Okay. For that you need to press Windows Q and here we have a one task manager. So click on that and we have a three lines on the top left side. Click on it and here we have some of the menus. So click on the startup applications. So here showing list of the applications. Whatever the applications not required on the startup time, you can disable it. So I have disabled lot of the startup files. You need to click on it and disable. No more step required for that. Okay. Next step is like temporary files. So whatever the use step actions you are operations or whatever the functions you are doing in your laptop, some of the temporary files is stored in the temp folder. So you need to check in the temporary folder and remove all the files permanently. So for that you need to press Windows R, type temp as like me and click OK and Control All and Shift Delete. Okay, so I have already removed all the files, so it not showing to more files in my laptop. Okay, next step is like same, we need to click Windows R and type ms config. Okay, so here one pop-up is showing and here we have some tabs. We need to click on the service tab and checkbox, click on the hide all Microsoft services. Once all the microservices we have hide, we need to this all are the selected and we need to click on the disable all, apply and click. So all of the services not required, that applications is disabled when we are start up the Windows. Okay, next step is like we need to check which tools we have required. Okay, in our systems we some software is not required, we install for the some temporary workaround solutions, so we need to remove that software from the control panel. So from the control panel we have a one menu, program and features, and sort by the size, and you can watch out which software is required. So whatever the software is not required, you can uninstall and it will be improve your C drive space and the startup when we are running the Windows. Okay. Next step is like we have a download folder. So in the download folder, whatever the files we have that uh, take the space in the C drive. So you can remove all the files from the download folders. It's not required, and if required, then you can cut from that download folder to your main like another drive. So it will be increase your C drive space. So these are the some few steps you can follow, and it will be increase your system's performance. Yeah, thank you for watching.